Hi my beauties, today I am going to reviewing all about Skinworks exfoliating anti-aging massaging tool. The name is very complicated but it's nothing but massaging tool. Before going to show the massaging tool, let me say about what is anti-aging. Anti-aging is delay or stop or retard the aging process. Our bodies are made with cells. For child and young adults, they are having a very strong cells, and when they are going to the dead cells, again they can have a remaking cells. But when we are coming to the old age, we will not get a remakeable dead cells. From there, anti-aging process starts. Let me show you the massaging tool, and here it is. This massaging tool is very helpful for men and women. It stimulates skin repair and regenerations, detox your skin, improves the texture of your skin, improves circulation and relax facial muscles, and also relieves the tightness of your scalp and improves nourishment of your hair. These are the main benefits about this massaging tool.
Before going to massage on face, remove makeup and any skin products from the skin. It just takes 5 minutes to work on. Now it's time to exfoliate skin. Push your nose aside with one hand and gently massage the crease at the outer side of your nostril. Do not try to press on your face trying to squeeze your pores. Your clogged pores may become inflamed. It will take time and pores will clean themselves. Do not massage the sensitive skin around your eyes with the tool. Use your fingertips making gently circular movements. Repeat on the other side of your face. After massaging face, don't forget to massage ears, neck and shoulders. Many people focus on their faces and ignore the neck and upper chest areas that are exposed to just as much UV ray damaged as your face. Do not forget that the rest of our skin ages the same way our face does. Use Skinworks on the rest of your body to exfoliate excessive dead cells, keeping the skin smooth and healthy. Massage scalp for 5 minutes. If you start with too much intensity, the skin and scalp may become irritated and inflamed. For the first 5 to 10 treatments, use very light pressure. As your skin adapts, you may gradually apply more force. Do not force mechanical exfoliation more than 3 times per week. It is important let your skin recover. Begin with one treatment a week. See how your skin reacts, then work up to 2 to 3 times a week. You can do it once a day at any time, but evenings are the best. Your skin repairs itself more effectively while you sleep.
If you like this video, please hit on that like button and share your comments below. For more videos, subscribe to my channel. If you like this product and want to buy one, please refer my description box. I am going to give complete details about this tool. Thanks for supporting my channel. For more updates, follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook and Beauty Circle. I love you guys so much. Bye.